Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here at the Porsche dealership and we were doing some fitments on a few other vehicles like the Macan electric. We realized we haven't done a video on the regular Macan, the SNS 313. So we thought while we were out here we would actually do an installation video because this is one of our more popular brackets. So this is a 2025 Macan, and this the SNS 313 will fit on all the Macans except for the new electric one. So if you don't have the electric, then this is the one for you, and it mounts in the lower center there. It does have factory screws, so we're going to go ahead and get started on this fitment, and we'll turn it over to Mike.
All right, Steve, thanks. And like Steve said, this is going to be factory screws that are going to be taken out, so there'll be no drilling, but we won't be reusing these. There's two center screws right here. They have a T25 Torx head on them. We're going to put those off to the side, and again, we will not be reusing them. So we're going to go ahead and spin those out, put those off to the side, and we're going to grab our base plate, and then we're going to be using two 4.8 by 25s and two 1/8 inch spacers, if I can find the other spacer. So anyway, oh, here it is right here. It's hidden in the on the thing. So we're going to take one, going to put it through the base plate, spacer on top, and then we're going to go ahead and start it in the hole. And real important that you start one side, then you go ahead and put the bolt through, or the screw through with the spacer on top, and then start the other side. And then once you get them both started, then you can go through. Now we're going to go switch to a 8mm socket. We're going to kind of spin these in. I like to work them in a little at a time. Just bring them up. These, and again, these are going into a metal J-clip, so you will be able to tighten them up. They should snug right up. There you go. So again, don't be afraid to tighten them, because there should never be a reason for these brackets to fall off. Most common problem is just not simply tighten them up enough. Alright, so you can take your front plate, you're going to start it in, get it past the pull pin, push it till it clicks into place, and you're all set.
And like with all our brackets, again, make sure that you lubricate the pull pin from time to time, and if you go through a car wash, make sure you remove your front plate with a license on it, because it will get damaged. And it's kind of tight in here, but this is what it's going to look like, and then your license plate goes on the front. And we are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.